Hello, we are picking up the reading in Ken Wapnick's Journey Through the Text of A Course in Miracles. We are on Chapter 2, The Separation and the Atonement. There is indeed purpose behind the ego's insanity. If we do not recognize the power of our minds, there is no way to exercise that same power to correct our miscreations. This entire course rests on this thought. For with such understanding, we would not get caught in trying to change the world without first changing the mind. Again, this does not mean we should not do things in our personal worlds or the world at large, but it does mean that we should not do anything without first changing our minds. Again, if we do not change the mind's faulty decision-making, we are acting from the ego, and then everything we do, however brilliant and loving it seems to be in form, will be as hateful as the acts of mass murder. For we will be coming from a thought of hate that says, I have usurped God's place and am proud and glad I did. I will be even gladder when I can convince God that you are the one he should punish instead of me. Jesus implores us to ask his help. Ask his help, ask his help. Let that be a mantra. To correct the condition that brought the fear about, the mind's decision to be separate, even when the external cause of the fear seems so apparent. This is from the text. At that level, you can help it. Perhaps we cannot do anything about our external situations. If we were in a death camp, for example, there's very little we could do behaviorally to extricate ourselves. Yet, on the mind level, we can choose to see the situation differently and be at peace without fear. You are much too tolerant of mind wandering and are passively condoning your mind's miscreations. The term mind wandering refers to our minds having wandered into the far country of the world along with all of its problems. Jesus is saying to Helen and to all of us, you are too tolerant of your projections, the mind's miscreations, and are willing to accept these wanderings as valid rather than returning to the mind that is the source of all your problems. This is from the text, chapter 2, obviously we're in chapter 2, section 6. The particular result does not matter, but the fundamental error does. The correction is always the same. This echoes the first principle of miracles, there being no order of difficulty among them. They are all the same because all problems are the same. As Jesus says earlier in this chapter, whatever lies you may believe are of no concern to the miracle, which can heal any of them with equal ease. It makes no distinctions among misperceptions. Its sole concern is to distinguish between truth on the one hand and error on the other. Some miracles may seem to be of greater magnitude than others. But remember, the first principle in this course, there is no order of difficulty in miracles. An illusion is an illusion is an illusion. One illusion or 1,000 makes no difference, and it can never not be what it is, or better, be what it is not. And I am going to stop there. I love this. There's just so much packed into this. So it's a perfect place to stop, and I will pick up tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining with me in these beautiful little nuggets of A Course in Miracles. Chapter 2, The Separation and the Atonement. Journey through A Course in Miracles with wonderful Ken Wapnick, published by the Foundation for A Course in Miracles. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.